Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete YouTube playlist. So in this case, open your YouTube first, go to your top right corner, this profile icon or the picture, then you'll find here YouTube Studio. Now again on top right corner you'll find here you can see here content. Click on content and then go here playlist, third option. Then you'll find your playlist here. Now if you want to delete this playlist, click on three dot and click on delete. Make sure delete, and your playlist has been deleted. So guys, this is how you can delete playlists in YouTube. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the videos.